Every music producer needs a team to help them move high-priced beats. We're not talking about leases on this show, but the problem is they don't have the people in place. Let alone, they don't even know the type of people to put in place. Without this team, you may get stuck in the process. We don't want you to do that. Once again, you know I've been here before, so I'm going to break it down on who you need in your team to move some real weight around in this industry. All right, check it out. Coming up right here on the Music Money Makeover show. Hey, Music Money Makers, welcome back to the Music Money Makeover show. Let's hop into these methods or these people that you're going to put onto your team as a music producer. So let's look at the people you will need. You're going to need an attorney, a song plugger, or a manager. They can kind of double as both, or you can graduate from a song plugger to a manager. You're going to need a publisher and a sync agent. All right, so let's go down this list. An attorney will be needed to draft custom production agreements for you, and you may need 2 or 3 different types of agreements in your stash, that is, and you will also need the attorney to close the deals when you are clearing more than 4 deals a month on average. Consider putting the attorney on a retainer, as 5% of the sale may be too high. I want you to understand that. And when you start moving like the 2, 3, 4, 5 grand beats, you'll get what I'm saying on that, okay? Song pluggers and managers, let's talk about them. They can be special in the beginning, so you got to find the right ones. Now, you're going to need a song plugger. This person must know the ins and outs of selling tracks to artists and labels, sync agents and libraries, content creators in television, commercial, and film production houses. They can replace a publisher's in-house song plugger if you find the right one. Keep this person close to you and pay them 10% of the sale, and then eventually bump it up to 20% if they're really slinging it. That's when you kind of go from a 10% position to a 20% position, all right? Now, you may say it seems as if the attorney and song plugger is all I need, and sure, they can double as this next company I'm going to bring forth, but stay tuned before you click off, all right? Don't you click off. Now, getting a publisher or self-publishing. Having a publisher can increase sales tremendously. However, I suggest a quick admin or collection deal. Choose a third-party publisher that you can work with to secure your money at a 15% rate so your back-end paperwork is taken care of. And then you can also self-publish, which puts more money in your pocket. Now, you all know through my channel, I'm big on self-publishing to get all of my money direct before going to a song trust. But if it gets to the point where nobody on your team can really handle it, song trust or a designated publisher may be the next best option. Plus, they'll give you some more relationships. Now, a sync agent. Just because your song plugger or manager can sell your beats to labels doesn't mean that they can get them placed in television and film. Getting music production placed in television and film requires selling to other libraries and catalogs or the agents or production houses themselves, and therefore you will need to approach the sync agent or sync libraries for this. And this will be as far as most song pluggers will go before they have to enter a new world of production style and selling, because this gets mind-boggling and this gets confusing. So, inquiring minds want to know, where do I find these people? How much will the attorney cost? How do I get the money to pay them? What's the best rate I can get for the plugger and the publisher? What should I look out for? And I'm glad you asked that, because if you book a call with me, we can put a plan together to get all this stuff working for you so you can see some results in this process. It's not going to be an easy one, but it's a lot simpler than a lot of the other strategies I have on this page. So if you fail on this quest, you will continue to be stuck, and that can leave you vulnerable to making bad decisions and negotiations. Plus, your discouragement may lead to quitting, and we don't want you to quit, because I know how much discouragement can just really deter people. They won't create. They go into a writer's block mode. You got to see that money coming in from the fruits of your labor, right? Or you got to see fruits from your labor, and that's what you want. So we don't want you to fail on this thing, but I'm not going to guarantee that you're going to succeed, but I'm telling you, you will have some success if you do this thing right. Your success rate for beats will go up tremendously, which means you will attract more A-list clients and secure better deals. Now, in addition to that, the demand for your production will go up, which means your network of industry connections will increase and your money will flow more fluently through your music production business. Now that you got that, let's go from some cheap beats to some floor seats, because that's what we want to do. Book a call, get a plan, and get some results, because if you make music, you should make money. My name is Casey Graham, Music Money Makers. This is the Music Money Makeover Show. I'll see you next time. Peace.